Hello, sorry about the wind. Hopefully this mic is helping eliminate it, but we're gonna just show you how to dump real quick with our Class C. So one of the things this has, if you have water available, and it'll be the water that says non-potable. Never put drinking water in here. So opposite of the city water connection is this connection here, and that goes right to the black tank. So what you're doing is you're adding extra water to help wash it out, because you always want some water in your black tank. So I'm gonna turn it on and kind of get some water going in there as I get ready to dump it to add more water so it dumps better. So you gotta make sure this is tight in there, otherwise it'll squirt all over. So you don't have to follow me, you can just kind of watch me. In here, I got the mic on so you can hear me. There's an adapter for the dumping. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this water on here. Get some water in the black tank. So right here is our dump station here. They usually have a cap on it. Sometimes if they have a plastic cap, you can take it off. But what I'm gonna do first is just make sure both these are in, kind of tap them, make sure they're in. I'm gonna undo that. I'm gonna get my hose out of the bumper here. So where we're at, we only need one length of hose. So I'm gonna pop it out. I'll hook this into here. And the main thing is here is to make sure you get a good click. So it's clicked in there. Give it a little tug, make sure it's on there good. And then this end here will go into this. Now this is a trigger warning for those who don't like dark substances. You won't see actually any number 2s per se, but you'll see some dark stuff. So that'll go inside there. The reason for that clear thing is to make sure you got a good job, you did a good job dumping it. So you always want to dump the black tank first because that's where the nasty stuff is. So I always start slow. I'm close, but if you're far away, the pipe, this may sag, so you may have to kind of milk it by lifting it up sometimes. So I'm gonna do the black first. Everything's connected, one quick double check. Black. And you can see some stuff coming out. Like I said, it's not that bad, just brown. So my goal is to make that as clear as possible. So what I'm gonna do, I got that water going into the black tank. So once it's almost done, I'm gonna close the black tank, let some more water fill in there, and dump it again. And if you're camping somewhere that has full hookups, you never wanna leave the black tank open because it'll create what's called a poo pyramid because you need water in that black tank. It's kind of like if you go to an outhouse and you were to use it and there's no fluid in there, you would just see a poo pyramid. So the fluid helps kind of break things up and slosh around. It's sometimes intimidating to people, but it's super easy. Make sure you wear the gloves. That's my suggestion. So we still got quite a bit of water coming out. That's probably because I have the water going to it. So I'm just gonna close it for now. What that does, once again, not the city water connection, but the one next to it, that goes right to the black tank. Kind of a little wand to help add water to it, clear it out, that kind of thing. So you can see nothing's coming out right now. So in a couple minutes here, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it again. So I'll pull it again here. We'll see if it's clearer this time. You get a big rush of darker stuff. And when you're using the bathroom in the unit, always lots of water when you flush, because that helps break down like toilet paper and stuff like that. So once again, I'm gonna close it up here because I have the opportunity to do that. If I didn't have this connection here, what I would do is have my helper go inside and hold the toilet and flush it, and hold it for like 3 minutes literally, so you're getting water in there to flush it. Very windy day. Nice fall day. Starved Rock State Park. So I can hear the water going in there. So I'm gonna give it a minute or two here. I'm gonna open up again. So you can see it's still kind of dirty. So once again, I'm gonna close this, let the water build up. Now, don't feel pressured if someone's behind you. You know, do your thing. Everyone's gotta do the same thing, so take your time. Just tell them, oh, hey, I'm new at this, and maybe they'll help you, who knows. But Never feel pressure to rush through this process. And always, if you have questions, call us 630-226-1334. And these handles, I forgot to mention, they just pull straight out. There's no twist, they just pull straight out. So I'm just gonna kind of open and close it a few times here. So it's getting clear, so I'm just gonna do it one more time because no one's behind me. So might as well just let it get some water in there, then dump it again. And after you're done dumping it, if you have the water here, close the black tank, leave the water on for a minute, minute and a half, 2 minutes. That way you get water back in the black tank because you always want to leave water in it. And then inside there's those tabs we'll show you where you put it in the toilet. You just flush it in the toilet, it kind of helps break things down and helps with the sanitation and smell. If you don't have the water hook up here like this, once you're done dumping, make sure you do flush the toilet when everything's disconnected so that you get some water built back up in the black tank because you never want a dry black tank. So I'm gonna do one more time here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close this, let that fill for a little bit. Now I'm doing the gray water. This is the sink, shower, that kind of thing. So you can see it's cleaner, but that helps clean out this hose as well. So basically, once you're done with all this, you make sure everything's shut, disconnect the hose. If the water's here, kind of rinse it out a little bit, and place it back in the bumper. Make sure you try to drain the water out of it. But that's it. We're going to go ahead and shut off the video here for now because it's kind of windy. I don't want to keep you guys too long, but black tank first, do it a few times, get some water in there, flush it, then gray tank. Thanks, bye.